Mom's daily routine. Mom wakes up early in the morning. She brushes her teeth and takes a shower. Then, she goes to the kitchen and prepares breakfast for the family. Mom likes to make pancakes and coffee. After breakfast, Mom cleans the house. She dusts the furniture, sweeps the floors, and washes the dishes. Mom likes to keep the house neat and tidy. In the afternoon, Mom goes to work. She works at a store as a cashier. Mom enjoys talking to the customers and helping them with their purchases. In the evening, Mom comes back home and cooks dinner. Mom likes to make different types of meals, such as spaghetti or chicken. After dinner, Mom spends time with the family. They watch TV or play board games. Before going to bed, Mom helps her children with their homework. Mom reads them a story and tucks them in. Mom kisses them goodnight and wishes them sweet dreams. Mom's routine is busy, but she always has time for her family. Mom loves her family very much and they love her too. One Saturday morning, Mom wakes up later than usual. She feels tired and decides to have a lazy day. Mom makes herself a cup of tea and reads a book. She enjoys the quiet and peaceful morning. After a while, Mom decides to do some gardening. Mom loves to plant flowers and watch them grow. Mom spends some time in the garden, watering the plants and pruning the bushes. Later in the day, Mom meets up with some friends for a coffee. Mom likes to catch up with her friends and chat about their lives. They talk about their children, their jobs, and their hobbies. In the evening, Mom and her family go to a restaurant for dinner. Mom likes to try new foods and flavors. They have a delicious meal. Before going to bed, Mom reads a bedtime story to her children. Mom likes to read them stories that inspire their imagination and curiosity. Mom kisses them goodnight and wishes them sweet dreams, just like every other night. Mom's routine changes from time to time, but one thing remains constant: her love for her family and her dedication to making their lives better.